how to download videos from all the social media platform in less than 1 minute. Yes, and the sweetest part of it is that this website will download video in 1K video quality for you. I'm telling you, the video quality is 1K, not 300, and it will remove a video tracker from that video, social media tracker from that video. Just join me on this tutorial. Let me show you guys something now. Now, to download video from this website, go to your browser. Okay, open up your browser, any browser that you are using. Right now, type this AbuNet. You see .org. That's all. AbuNet.org. You open it up. Now, I will advise you to install it as app on your phone. Click here. Right, you click add to home screen. Click this add to home screen so that it will install like app on your phone. You don't need to go to your browser anymore. Now, if you want to download any video, copy the link of that video. Now, let's copy the link of my video. Right, copy the link, come to that website. Right, now select, look for Facebook. If the link you have is a TikTok link, you look for TikTok. All the social media, all of them, both YouTube, all of them is here. Look, both Instagram, look, all of them, Twitter, all the social media, you Snapchat, all the social media, you know, all of them is here. Now select the Facebook, right, and put the link, paste the link that we copied. That's all. Click on download. And it will remove a social media tracker from that video. Now, this is our video, right? Chicken. Now, you click this to start downloading it. You will see it will start downloading now. Watch this, it's downloading. Okay, so this is how to make use of this. Okay, and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget, because all the content creators need a website that they will be using to download video online. Thank you.